Is the question copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, listen. So always the diagram they will give in terms of periodic signal. Periodic means it will be repeated. So I have to consider only one complete cycle. Okay, one complete cycle I have to consider. So this is neither ramp or it is actually a triangular wave. So you should know if you have a triangular wave, how you have to consider x of t. X of t expression is not given. See, this is option x of t, they may give or they may not give. Depending upon the signal type, you should be able to write the x of t expression. Okay, so let me just start the x of t expression. The x of t expression, it is a triangular wave, it is always t. If you refer your first module, we have discussed the elementary signals. There we used to represent. Triangular means how to represent it, and ramp means how to represent it. So if you go through it later, you can observe this. Triangular means we will take it as just T. Okay. So originally it is from minus T to plus T. So we will discuss about this limits later. Let us see the time period. So time period, this is one period and this is another period. Okay, one complete cycle you have to take. This is one complete cycle. See how to identify one complete cycle, because see if you see this, this is repeated. So I can say this is one complete cycle. Okay, so one complete cycle is occupying two time periods. So I can write period is 2. Period T is equal to 2. Period you can write period T is equal to 2. Okay, they have I think given wrongly 2 into 2. Period is equal to T is equal to 2. So our aim is to find out the Fourier series. Okay, so we want to use the formula x of k is equal to x of k is equal to 1 by t 1 by t integral x of t for minus jk omega naught t dt. And one more thing I want to see here. So here, if you see, they have not given any numbers. Okay, they have not given any numbers. And if I take this complete cycle, the problem is I do not know what is the value here, the t value here. Please understand it properly. If I see, I told in the previous problem, preferably you take one complete cycle from the origin. So it was clearly mentioned 0 to 1, right? But here in this problem, if you see one complete cycle, I could not get the limits. So here only I have the limits. Here I do not have the limits, or means t value. So rather what I can do is, for this type of problems, I can take the complete cycle where my complete time period is existing. So you can see this is also one complete cycle, like this structure is also one complete cycle. You see here, this is my first structure and this is my second structure. So interval I can take from the origin, that means origin as a center, I can take the interval minus t to plus t. Okay. So because of that reason, even the time period they have taken, this is one time period t. And here it is not of value. If it is 1, I would have written t equal to 1. And here also we have 1. So t totally I would have written 2. But here time period they have given in t variable itself. So 1t plus another t is equal to 2t. I think here there is no confusion. You refer your previous problem. The previous problem they have given 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So since it is 1, I could write this time period as just 1. If it is t, I would have written t, 1 into t. So t I would have written. Here they have given with respect to the variable t only. So t plus t, I know it is total time period is 2. So I have to write 2 into t. Here we do not have any number, so 2 into t directly, time period. Okay. And the limits I told you how to take it, minus t to plus t. So these are all the remembering things for you to write in the exam. So for each type of signal, you'll be having some unique things to be remembered. So for this type of triangular waveform, and if they give t only in the diagram, then the total time period is 2t. And the limits, you know how we have taken, it is minus t2 plus t. So x of t we have taken as t, so t multiplied to d power minus jk omega naught t dt. So once it is done, it is now your work, integration work. So integration, you know how to perform. It is t multiplied to t power. Yesterday we have done enough problems. So let me just show here. So integral t, you people can try by yourself, t power minus jk omega naught t dt is equal to, I have to keep this as u and I have to keep this as dv. So if u is equal to t, then du is equal to dt. Okay, du is equal to dt. Similarly, dv is equal to e power minus jk omega naught t dt. Can anybody tell me what is v here after integrating? I want v. What is v? V is equal to, you need to perform the integration.
Hello, Moto.
Just a minute, I am just getting a call. Just a minute. Is it?
Minus j omega naught t by minus jk omega naught.
Very good, very good. E power minus jk omega naught divided by minus jk omega naught. Okay. And you know the formula. So let me write the formula here. uv minus, I have to apply this formula. uv minus integral v du. So in place of u, I know what is my u. U is d. U. And then I think here something is missing. You do try by yourself. This first line I think not required. See the second line only, as per our formula we need to substitute. U is t into v. V is this term which I have told just now. Okay. E power minus jk omega naught t divided by minus jk omega naught minus of integral v du. So you know which is v again. This is v. V du. D is dt. Okay. So the limits for the first term, I have to substitute minus t2 plus t, and even after integrating the second term, I have to substitute minus t2 plus t. So you know very well, you have to perform the integration for the second term. Okay. So if you perform the integration for the second term, it is again easy. The denominator will be squared. You know why it is squared. So in this tree, the first equation is not required. Something they have done. We have to use from this. We have to solve from here. As per the formula, this is the equation we will get. Okay. And after integration, can anybody tell me, are you getting this as the answer? And this minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, there was one minus outside. And here along with j, we have one minus, that becomes plus. And again, if you perform the integration, you will be having one more minus jk omega naught. You see whether you are getting this as the answer, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you
Yes,
people
ma'am.
substitute the limits? Yes, very good. Can you people substitute the limits? And see, for the second term, you can just solve it at the rough side. What is the value becomes? See, you have minus term and j square. J square is minus, so it becomes plus. And I will get only k into omega naught square for the second term in the denominator. Okay, so when we will come to denominator, we will just see this. So now first term I have to substitute the limit. So small t, wherever small t is there, I have to substitute capital T. Capital T into e power minus jk omega naught into capital T. Okay, so that is denominator is common. We will keep common. Then minus of the lower limit. Lower limit is again minus t. So that minus becomes plus. So I think here there is no doubt why it is plus here. So t into e power minus jk omega naught minus t. So here again minus it becomes plus t. Is everyone following here the step for the first term or any confusion? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second term, I think it is easy, I no need to explain. Already I told how to simplify the denominator. Okay, denominator simplified version. And the numerator, you will be substituting t and minus t respectively. So you will be getting e power minus j k omega naught t minus of e power plus j k omega naught t. So if you have the terms like this t here, e power minus j theta plus e power plus j theta. So you know what is the step we are going to follow? We'll be applying the trigonometric formula. So it is cos theta. We can write in terms of cos theta. And the second term we will be writing in terms of sin theta. So that step we are going to do it later, but we will just find out omega naught value because I'm having in the powers omega naught. Let me try to find out omega naught. So I know that omega naught is equal to 2 pi by capital T, 2 pi by capital T. And as per our problem here, in place of time period, I have 2 times time period. I said why this 2t itself, this t is t only. Because in the diagram itself, they have mentioned t as t only. So 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So I will be getting omega naught is equal to pi by t. Pi by t, okay? So if you rearrange this equation, can I write omega naught into t is equal to pi? Just check whether I am right or wrong. Omega naught t is equal to pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See why I am doing this step is, see in this equation which we have done in the last step, I have omega naught t. So I can replace it with pi. Okay. So I want you to just replace omega naught t as pi in the equation which we have written lastly. Omega naught into t is equal to pi. Omega naught t is equal to pi. Okay, just see whether you could get this term. It is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See now after getting the power in terms of pi, okay, we will apply the concept of trigonometry. See t is common in the numerator for the first term. So t I have taken outside. Denominator also will be the same. So if you take t outside, it is like e power plus j theta plus e power minus j theta. So it is nothing but 2 times cos theta. In place of theta, we have k pi. So see whether the first term is right, which is t multiplied with 2 times cos pi divided by minus jk omega naught. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Similarly, for the second term, you can see you have e power, and here there is a small correction we have to do because I have the formula for e power plus j theta first, but here we have minus for e power plus j theta. So let me move minus outside. So e power plus j k pi, then I will be having minus e power minus j k pi. Okay. And I do not have divided by 2j here. So I can write this numerator complete term as minus of 2 times j into sine k pi. Is it right? The complete numerator is correct. Don't see the book answer. They have not mentioned that sine minus sine here. They have done wrongly. Is our step is correct? Minus 2j here, minus 2j. Make it fast. Sharon, is it right, ma'am? Sharon?
Yes, ma'am, it's right.
It's right, okay. Then denominator is same, k omega naught the whole square. And see, why they did not bother in the book is, whatever plus or minus this term will be 0. Why it is 0? Sin k pi is 0, so they did not check this sign properly. Originally it is minus. So sin term is always 0. Sin k pi is always 0. So I am just cancelling the second term. You people also just cancel it, make it that term as 0. Now I'll be having the first term with the outside term 1 by 2, 1 by 2t. So 1 by 2t, and how much you can cancel, how much is possible, you just cancel it. So I'll be having cos k pi the whole divided by minus j k. In turn, omega naught can be substituted. Omega naught, earlier we found it as pi by t. So omega naught you can substitute as pi by t. So omega naught I am not keeping as omega naught itself. I am just substituting it as pi by t. Okay. And this minus j, I want to move it towards the numerator. So you know minus j, if you move it towards the numerator, it becomes plus j. So you can see here, this should be your answer. Plus j t cos k pi by k pi. Just see whether it is right or wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, in turn, cos k pi, I can write it as minus 1 power k. Minus 1 power k. See, whatever the values of k, I have no problem whether it is even or odd, I will get the proper answer. For example, if I substitute k is equal to 0, anything power 0 is 1. Even number, 0 is even number. Similarly, if I substitute k equal to 2, I'll be getting minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Suppose if k is odd 1, then I'll be getting accordingly minus 1 as the answer. So cos k pi, you can write it as minus 1 power k. Have you seen this in mathematics? Cos k pi can be written as minus 1 power k. Have you seen this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So I think we don't have any doubts. So minus 1 power k into jd divided by k pi. That is your final answer. You can see here. Minus 1 power k jd divided by k pi. And see here you can write the condition k is not equal to 0. K should not be equal to 0. See, because the denominator if k is equal to 0, then everything will be collapsed. K should not be equal to 0. K is in the denominator. Even if it is in the numerator also, my k should not be equal to 0. Then only this answer is valid. Otherwise, it is invalid. So write down this answer properly. X of k, this expression minus 1 power k jd divided by k pi when k is not equal to 0. And you can ask me, ma'am, when k is equal to 0, what will be the solution? See, like in previous problem, not today, yesterday, I have solved for equal to 0 condition also. So where I have to apply 0 condition, you can see here, the very first, initially you have written the formula, right? You have got this term. So here itself, you have to substitute k is equal to 0. If you substitute k is equal to 0, then your x of k equation becomes simple. X of k is equal to 1 by 2t, integral minus t2 plus t into dt. You know why it is just t into dt? Because k is 0, e power 0 is 1. So now you need to perform the integration here. 1 divided by 2t. So integration of t is t square by 2. T square by 2. So it is minus t2 plus t. Can anybody quickly solve and get me the answer? So I think I can take 2 outside. So it is 1 by 4t. And here it is t square minus of minus t the whole square. Again, it is t square. So if the answer is 0, can anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your
ma'am.
answer. Okay. So this is your answer. See, always you should see the condition. K equal to 0 and k not equal to 0. Okay. So I will just show you the book answer. X of k should be 0. I think it is there 0 only in the book also. Okay, I did not see this. Okay, it's 0 only. You can see here. It is 0 only. It is 0. And you need to summarize the answer. Summarize means, you know, if you have two different values, you have to summarize it. X of k is equal to minus 1 power k jd by k pi. K not equal to 0. 0, k equal to 0. I think in this problem also they have asked the Fourier series to be written. So series. So series, since we are getting two different answers for x of k, I have to write using this formula. x of t is equal to summation k equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of t e power plus jk omega naught t, which is equal to, see here, summation k equal to minus infinity plus infinity. I will be getting this answer x of k. In place of x of k, what is the answer I am getting? Minus 1 power k jt by kt. Minus 1 power k jt by kt into, as per this formula, it is e power j k. In place of omega naught, I know it is pi by capital T. Pi by capital T to t. And see here, I have written one more condition. This is valid only when k is not equal to 0. Is it clear, everyone? The Fourier series. I think we can write the same thing for the previous problem also, Fourier series. Let us write it again. So Fourier series means, please remember, we will write up to x of t. X of t. X of t formula we know very well. Your x of t formula has this x of t. So x of k I found it, so that I will be substituting here. And in this formula we have e power term, that I will be substituting here. And I should mention for what value of k I am getting this answer. I am getting the answer for all the values of k, minus infinity plus infinity, except this k not equal to 0. Shall I stop up to this? Any doubts? Can anyone reply?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, we will go back to the previous problem. Fourier series, one more problem was in terms of Fourier series. Which problem it was? I think this problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
I want all of you to write one more step for this problem because Fourier series is this one only. So t is equal to, I did not do that step here. So it is e power minus t problem. If you want, I will show you the graph of that. So this problem listen here, in this problem, they have asked the Fourier series, okay? So I have to do one more step. I have forgotten for this problem, just we will do now. So x of t is equal to, you know the formula. What is the formula? Summation k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. Yes, can anybody tell me x of k multiplied with e power, is it plus or minus j? Tell me, e power
Plus J.
j k e power plus j k omega naught t, right? So now we will write the final answer, summation. See here, we do not have any conditions for k. Okay, so it is minus infinity to plus infinity. In place of x of k, I will be writing whatever I have solved. So it is 1 minus e power minus 1, the whole divided by 1 plus j, 2 pi k, and see, in e power term I have omega naught. Do we have omega naught value for this problem? Can anybody check and tell me omega naught?
2 pi.
2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi. So I will just close this bracket. It is e power j 2 pi k t. Okay, is it right? E power j 2 pi k t.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will just complete up to this. Okay. So don't forget to write x of t if they ask Fourier series. Just simple step. You need to write the formula, and wherever x of k is there, that value you just substitute it, and wherever omega naught is there, the corresponding omega naught for the particular problem you just substitute. So this completes the problem. And whatever problems I am doing now, all are equally important. And those who have missed the class today only 22 students present. And definitely they face difficulty in the exam. And internals